Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to give you chapter 2 practice set. So let's get started. So I'm in my VS Code, and here are two tabs of VS Code, and before giving you the problems I will be giving you the operators.py source code. Link is in the description. So these are all the problems, but before giving you all the problems I want to give you the operators source code. And here I want to tell you about operators. So it's a small topic. So I want to tell you about basic operators in Python. So here I will write 04 operators underscore operators dot py. So here I will paste all the operators and control forward slash. So there are four types of operators in Python. So let us say I will close this sidebar, and let us consider this is variable a equals to 10, and here is b equals to let's say 35. So I can do operations on it, like c is equals to a plus b. So this is arithmetic operators. I'll write here number one, control c, control v. So this is addition. If I run this code, so 10 plus 35 equals to, oops, I didn't print it, print c. Then here I will run this code. Then you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication. 45, the answer is 45. If I will do a minus b, then it would be, let us see, so it is minus 25 because a is less than b, so it would be in minus. So if you have confused, so here I will do 5, so a value would be greater, so here is 5. If you want to do subtraction, done. Addition, done. If you want to do multiplication, you can do control save, run code, and the answer would be 50. Then if you want to do division, you can do. So here I will do division. I will zoom it out, and it would be 2.0. So here were all the arithmetic operations, as simple as that. So let's just talk about assignment operators in Python. So here I will again control V. Then let us uh, read about assignment operators. So same variables, control C, I will comment it out. Then here I will do a equals to 10, b equals to 5. I can I can increase these values, like I can do a plus equals to 4. So I'm telling that assign it to us rate. So I'm telling that assign, first add this 4 and then assign it to a. So I'm just telling like that, and if I'll print this, print a, so a value would be increased by 4. So if I will run this code, so a value would be 14. So if you want to increment the value and assign it to variable you have made, so you can use assignment operators. If I will do minus 4, so it would be 6, right? Yes, you heard it right, 6. So you can use assignment operators to increase the values, decrease the values, etc. And this is also an assignment operator. So I will comment it out, and let us see about comparison operators. So comparison operators run only on boolean values. Like if I will copy this of why I'm making this variables again and again, I will rough this. So I've already made, it's not a good practice. So let us talk about, oops, Control Z. I forgot to copy it down, comparison operators. So here I will copy this down, then paste. Then let us see about comparison operators. So if I will write print a equals to b, is a equals to b? So if a is not equal to b, so it would print false because a is not greater equal to b. If I will write a is greater, so here greater, run this code, and yeah, a is greater than b. Likewise, I can also do greater than equal to, and here I will run the code. Is a greater than or equal to b? Yes, it is greater, so it will print true. No, the value won't be changed. So these were all about comparison operators. I want to tell you one more, not equal to, an exclamatory mark. So here you can print this, control save, and is a is not equal to b? Yes, so it's true. So it's basically giving the values only in boolean data types, so you can use comparison operators. So now let us talk about logical operators, last and very much important. So control V, and let us talk about logical operators. Like let us consider u equals to like animal or like human. So if I will control forward slash, and here I will write human, like human is equals to, I can write true or false. All right, so this would check whether you are true or false. Means in these two values, in these two values there should be one condition true. Like if I'll print this, and here I will write here like human, then what, guess what would be printed of human? So it would print true. I will control forward slash this one because it is not we are not printing that one. We want to focus on this. So it would check the or, which is a logical operator, would check between the two conditions. Are these two conditions, in this between two conditions there should be one value true. So what if there would be, oh sorry this what if there would be both false, then it would be false because the two conditions cannot be both false, so it would return false. So I hope you got the point. If you will, human is equals to true, then here I will write false, true, sorry. So this would again print true. Then just unite that the condition between these two values we are giving, from them at least one should be true, else if both are false then it would return false. As we expected, it should be true, so here is true. And for and operators you can do same. If I will control C, control forward slash, and here I would use and operator, alt alt, then here if I will replace them with and here I forgot to mention one more, true or true and true, sorry, true and true, false and false, false and true, true and false. So let us check one by one. So first one, the condition both should be, the and logical operator is telling that the two conditions must be true, otherwise it would return false. So all are false. True and false is false, then false and false is also false, and in this case both are true, so it will return true. So I hope you got the point that you can use and to make sure that the both the conditions should be true. And the last one is or sorry, not operator. So you can use like it converts. If I'll print not equal to not and false, so it basically converts false into true and true into false. So if I'll print this, so it will print true. And if I will write here true, so it would return false. So here I'll write true, so it would return false. So not only takes one argument, one condition, it converts false to true and true to false, sorry. So I hope you got all logical operators, comparison, assignment, arithmetic, all these four operators. And let's go get the problems which are in chapter 2. So let us check. So the first question, write a Python program, and make sure before giving the solutions you should first you should first solve this all the problems. So link is in the description. You can check out all these problems in my source code GitHub profile. So I will see you next time.